हर फर्द पढ़ेगा, हर घर बढ़ेगा. Do you know, in Telangana, admissions for the academic year 2021 to 2022 are available online in 204 TMR. TMR means Telangana Minority Residential Schools and 118 Telangana Minority Junior Colleges. If you wish to take admission in TMR schools and TMR junior colleges, then continue watching. So TMREIS, Telangana Minority Residential Schools, were established in Telangana to create Golden Telangana with the vision of Chief Minister Shri Chandrasekhar Rao. The mission of the TMREIS is they want the minorities development from KG to PG, that is from KG to post graduation. So currently there are totally 204 minority residential schools in 31 districts of Telangana, and there are 12 residential junior colleges where more than 1 lakh minority students educate per year. Objective of having a fully residential school is to focus on the child's overall development. These schools will be away from home, but they will have traditional values and complete family atmosphere 24/7. There are totally 71 residential schools, 39 boys and 32 girls. So the reservations in the admissions will be made in the following ratio. For minorities, 75% seats will be reserved, and for other communities, 25% will be reserved. Who are the minorities? Minorities include Muslims, Christians, Parsis, Jains, Sikhs, and Buddhists. And even non-minorities include SCs, STs, BCs, and OCs communities. So for these, the admissions are available. So the official website for this is tmreis.telangana.government.in. So let us quickly type tmreis.telangana.government.in website. So this is the website of tmreis.telangana.government.in. And on this website, how to fill the application form. So simply click admissions open. So you'll get this website cet.ccg.government.in/tmreis. In this you can see that there are two notifications. One is for Telangana Minority Residential Schools 2021 admission into 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th class. If you want to apply online, application opened on 30 April 2021 and the last date for applying for application is 20 May 2021, that is Thursday. And the admission into intermediate first year for 2021, the application had opened on 3rd May and the last date is 20 May 2021, that is Thursday. So if you want to apply for schools, then like this you have to apply. Click this simply. An application form will be generated, and there are some rules for taking admission. You can see here applicants must not have born before and after the following dates: class 5th 1st September 2009 to 31st August 2012, class 6th 1st September 2008 to 31st August 2011, class 7th 1st September 2007 to 31st August 2010, class 8 1st September 2006 to 31st August 2009. They have to meet these criteria. The selected students should submit all required certificates at the time of admission. Applicant photo and signature should be in JPG or JPGE format. The personal details to fill are: name of the applicant, the father or the guardian's name, mother's name, in which class they want to take admission. You can select from here. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, since this form is for schools. Next, date of birth, you can write here. Gender, whether it is a boy or whether it is a girl, you have to click here. Category, whether the candidate belongs to minority or whether the candidate belongs to non-minority. I told for minority also admissions are available, as well as for non-minority also admissions are available. Then what is the category? Religion or caste, you have to select SC, ST, BC, OC if it is a non-minority. If it is a minority, then whether it is Muslim, Christian, Jain, Parsi, Buddhist or Sikh. Then is physically handicapped, yes or no. Then is orphan, yes or no. Aadhaar number has to be written here. Next, son or daughter of armed personnel, then yes or no, whether they are in army or not. Parents, annual income of the parent has to be written here. Mobile number of the parent has to be written. Parent or guardian educational qualification should be written. Illiterate or uneducated, below SSC, intermediate, graduate, postgraduate. Then residential address. Following districts available: Adilabad, Kothagudam, Hyderabad, Jagtial, Jangaon, Jayashankar, Gadwal, Kamareddy, Karimnagar, Khammam, Kamuram Bhim, Mehbubnagar, Mancherial, Medak, Mirchal, Kurnool, Nalgonda, Nirmal, Nizamabad, Peddapalli, Rajana Sirisala, Rangareddy, Sangareddy, Siddipet, Suryapet, Vikharabad, Vanaparthi, Warangal Rural, Warangal Urban, Yadadri, Bhuvanagari, Narayanpet and Muluggu. So in this, let us click Hyderabad. You can see here the district is Hyderabad. Now you can select the mandal. In mandals in Hyderabad we have Ambarpet, Amirpet, Asif Nagar, Pandlagoda, Bahadurpura, Charminar, Golconda, Himayat Nagar, Khairtabad, Maredpalli, Mushirabad, Nampally, Saidabad, Sikandrabad, Shekhpet and Tirumal Gheri. Then village should be written whatever you have here. After selecting district mandal, then you can select village. Next, house number has to be written and pin code has to be written. Present educational details. Which class, which year the student is studying, institution type, institution name, district, mandal, village, institution, town. Then option of TMR, school admission in class 5th. Order of preference up to 3 schools. Note, please enter preference order in number 1 from 1 to 3. That is which school name you should write. Option of Telangana Minority Residential School for admission in class 6th, 7th, 8th. Only one school is to be adopted. So the documents required will be, all the scanned documents should be in JPG or JPEG format and size should not be more than 100 KB. You have to choose a file. When you click this choose file, your photos will open and from that you have to select the applicant photo. Similarly, applicant signature has to be selected. You have to sign on a paper and scan that photo and save it in your mobile, and then you have to select that. And those compulsory conditions are, it should be in JPG or JPEG format and it should not be more than 100 KB. And then you have to click this, that all this information is true, and submit. Okay, since here I did not enter any applicant name and I did not enter any details, it is showing me like this, but if you select it will be okay. Similarly, for junior colleges also application form is there. So here I'll apply online. Same details: name of the applicant, father, guardian's name, mother's name, category, date of birth, gender, if physically handicapped, orphan, Aadhaar number, son or daughter of armed person, an annual income, mobile number. Parent, guardian, mobile number of parent, guardian education qualification, guardian occupation, then residential address, where is it, district, mandal, village, locality, house number, pin number. This residential address is the address of the house of where the person lives. Next, 10th class study details. Year of study 2020 to 2021. Name of the board SSC. Did he study in TMR? Yes. If yes, then click yes. If no, click no. Then school name, village or town, school location, where he studied, district, mandal. Group preference, which group the candidate wanted to take. 5 options are available: MPC, BIPC, CEC, MEC and HEC. Then whether the student has any special achievements like sports, NCC, Scouts, Guides, Adventures, exhibition. Then option of intermediate admission, and only in first year, only one college is to be opted. You have to select from this which college you want. Then here also documents are, the photo should be in JPG or JPEG format and the size should not be more than 100 KB. And then you have to click I hereby declare solemnly that all the information furnished above is true to the best of my knowledge. So the main aim of making this video was, if one student will benefit, may God help you all and guide you all the best. Then stay tuned. Be helpful. Like, share, subscribe, click that bell icon.